guys, this is Arpita, your own promoter and trainer from Adimart Services Private Limited. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I would like to discuss you about our product services that is related to health. So I'm going to tell you about this product. This is Immune Care Juice. So as you guys know, due to this COVID pandemic, keeping our immunity strong is very necessary for us like today. So I would highly recommend you this product, as I would like to tell you that we are receiving a huge amount of orders for this particular product, because as it helps to boost your immunity, and it is totally not it is totally natural product, totally organic supplement. There is no side effect in consuming it. So I'll just tell you about the ingredients. What are it made of? This includes papaya leaf, giloy, ashwagandha, arjun chal, harat, baheda, amla, haldi, kali mirch, tulsi, ginger, mulethi, wheatgrass and garlic. So these are the ingredients. It is a herbal food supplement, guys. So I'm repeating it. You can serve it to your friends, your family members, your children, your husband, daughter, as well as you can consume it. So how to take it, I'll just tell you. You just take 1 spoon in a lukewarm glass of water and take it at morning time and at night time before bed. So 2 times at a day. So it kills all the bacteria and viruses from your body. It is very helpful in cold, cough and fever. It is antibiotic and antiviral as well. It works with your body's defense system. It can kill all kind of viruses including coronavirus, Zika virus and swine flu. It kills the infection and boosts your immunity. So I would like to recommend you guys that when the COVID pandemic finishes, so I would like to tell you, please continue to take this drink, because keeping our immunity is very important for us, not just because of coronavirus. So I will just tell you that as you know that because of this coronavirus pandemic, things have not been so well for most of us. So I would like to tell you the actual amount of this product is 999, but due to this thing, this COVID-19 pandemic, we are giving you a discount of rupees 200, and you can buy it for just rupees 799. Yes, 799, guys, you can have it. So you can refer it to your friends, family member, your children. It is very useful. It is very beneficial for you to take this drink, as it keeps your immunity very strong, and you can fight the coronavirus having this drink. Yes, I would like to tell you that please recommend this to your friends, as I highly recommend this product because I use it for personal. So guys, this is all for today. I'll come with more videos for you guys. I hope this was useful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.